Hey lovies, we are at it again. We are getting ready to pull into the Starbucks. I downloaded the Starbucks app on my phone and I found out that they have a few hidden menu or secret menu. I think that's it. Secret menu drinks. They have some for, well, first of all, they said they have new and improved the pink drink, and it's supposed to taste like a pink Starbucks. I really don't know how I feel about that because I am like the pink drink connoisseur. That is my go-to drink every time I go to Starbucks. So I'm like, I don't know. I think I like it the way it was, so I don't know if I really want to try it. So I was thinking about trying, it's called the Pot of Gold, which is like a caramel Frappuccino, but they do something a little different with it. I have it downloaded, the recipe and all that stuff, so we'll see how that goes. But I think that's the drink I'm going to try today off of their secret or hidden menu. That is for, of course, St. Patrick's Day. What I was really looking for is because I believe this week, the last week of February, is Mardi Gras. So I was like, oh, I wonder if they have a Mardi Gras secret menu drink that's like really colorful and cool and pretty. But I didn't see such things. So if anybody knows about that, leave me a comment down below because that's something I would really have liked to try. But I didn't see anything for Mardi Gras. But they do have two or three, I think three drinks on the hidden menu for St. Patty's Day. The one that appealed to me was the one that's called Pot of Gold. And then I'm not sure I want to try the new pink drink because I really like my pink drink the way it is. And I'm not crazy about Starburst, so I don't know. I don't know.
You said that wrong at first.
Huh? They said it tastes like a pink Starburst.
Well, you said it at first. You said a pink Starbucks.
Oh, whatever. My teacher over here.
Hey!
So we're gonna go through the drive-thru. I have a screenshot of the directions for this Pot of Gold. This is gonna be interesting because it's like I'm gonna go to the menu, the little, talk box, and just be like, I want to order something off of your secret menu and see if they kind of already know what I'm talking about. But if they don't, it is going to be so awkward to tell them how to make this drink because I know what I'm going to want to do. I'm going to be like, can I just drive through and give you the phone? Instead of reading this big long list for you. So we're going to give it a try, see how it goes. It's almost like you get anxiety because it's like you're going to order something you're not sure the person taking your order is going to know how to make. So it's a little weird. But hopefully there isn't. It doesn't look like there's a really long line. It is Saturday. Everybody's out and about. Hopefully there isn't this big long line. So let's go to Starbucks and see if we can. Oh no, I think we're gonna get right in. There's only one car in front of me, so that's awesome. So pull up that thing for mommy in case I do have to give them how to order it. All right, here we go. Do you know what you want?
I'm just gonna get the
Strawberry refresher.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. How can I help you?
Can I get a medium strawberry refresher?
Sure.
And then I also have something I'd like to order off of your secret or hidden menu. And it's called the Pot of Gold.
Do you know what's in that?
Yeah, I do. Do you want me just to bring the phone to you because it's a lot with the recipe on it? Or do you want me to give it to you over the speaker?
We'd probably read it. Just,
Okay.
You know what I mean? So we
Okay.
have time to get the drink ready.
Okay, it says start by ordering the Grande Caramel Frappuccino with breve milk.
With what?
Breve, I guess is how you say it. B-R-E-V-E.
Oh, breve. That's
Breve.
half and half.
Okay, sorry. Ask for 1 pump caramel syrup, 2 pumps toffee nuts, and 1 pump butterscotch syrup. And then it says ask for caramel drizzle around the side of the cup. Pour the Frappuccino into the cup and top with whipped cream, caramel sauce, and lots of butterscotch topping. And it's called the Pot of Gold.
Okay, so I have a grande strawberry acai refresher, a grande caramel frappuccino with 1 pump of caramel, toffee nut syrup, 1 pump of butterscotch. You want that breve, and you want extra butterscotch topping and caramel in the cup and on top.
That's what it says. I'm sorry.
Okay, nope, that's fine.
Okay.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
All right, 11:13. I'll see you at the window.
Okay, thank you. At least she was really gracious about it. She didn't make me feel too stupid. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So, we'll see what it looks like when we get it. I thought it'd be fun to guys take you through the drive-thru to see like what it's all about. We'll see. I feel really impersonal wearing my sunglasses, so let me take these off. They always leave little marks on the side of my nose, but I love them. And it's absolutely gorgeous here in Pennsylvania. This is one of the other reasons we really wanted to get out, because it's like there's not a cloud in the sky. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a little chilly, but it's supposed to go to like 50 today, and it's not raining. And I feel like that's all it does here is just rain and rain and rain and rain. So to have a nice Saturday, where it's just nice. So I think we came at the right time because there's cars coming up behind me. So we did good. It was only one car in front of us, so we picked the perfect time to go.
What if the worker sees your camera and asks what you're doing?
I'll tell her. I don't worry about it. It's all about being different, right? Do what you love and do it large. And I love me Starbucks. I'm always nervous to try new drinks though, because it's like I said, I have my favorite, and the pink drink is like my absolute favorite drink from Starbucks. I do like their fraps. I mean, you can't really go wrong with a frap. I mean, they're pretty good most of the time. So, and who doesn't like caramel? I'm okay with butterscotch. So we'll see. We'll see what it tastes like.
I mean, the only two I dislike are the pink drink, actually.
Whatever.
And the macchiato green drink. I don't know how to say that.
Oh, it smells good in there.
I like her hair color. How pink I like it.
They're really, really busy.
Thank you.
Hi.
11:13. You need a receipt?
No, no, ma'am.
Can I just say I like your hair color?
What's that?
I like your hair
Oh,
color.
thank you very much. Here you go.
Thank you.
I got that other one coming for you. Okay, guys?
Okay, thank you. That's her favorite. It is delicious, and it does hold up to its name. The refresher. It's very refreshing. I don't know why my camera does that. I get really white and then on regular color. It's weird.
One eternity later.
Oh wow, she's doing a great job.
All right, did I give you another straw on this?
Yes, you
Okay,
did.
Got it.
Thank you.
There you
Looks
go.
great.
Thank you.
I'm a YouTuber, so we're trying this new drink.
Oh.
That's
well,
what
go
it
for
is. Look, guys. Here, hold that.
Thank you. You
Thank
guys
you.
have a great day.
You
okay?
too. Thanks so much.
Thank you for
So we're gonna go park. Here, baby, you have to hold this. Mommy has to make this really sharp turn. Wow, that's really sharp. Holy
I got a
cow.
little bit on your tongue.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Ooh, it's a little chilly. Okay, we're gonna go back to where we were and try not to die. This place is nuts. Okay. We're gonna park in the sun. So we have, oh wow, it's getting really crowded. Look at it now.
Wow.
We picked the right time. We'd have been in the drive-thru forever. We're gonna park back here because this seems to be a really nice spot. It's really sunny over here, so you'll be able to see really good. Okay, yeah, the sun's good here. Okay,
Careful, it's a little sticky on the
it's a little
outside.
sticky. Okay, so this is it, guys. Pot of gold Starbucks drink. Okay, so for anybody who was listening, it's 1 pump caramel syrup, She called it breve. I said breve. I think I said that too.
Brave or something.
Brave. Okay. Toffee nut syrup, 1 pump butterscotch, extra butterscotch topping, caramel drizzle on the sides. I guess that's why they call it pot of gold, because the syrup makes it look very gold. So it's very, very pretty. It's very pretty.
I don't know how you can like caramel. It's gross.
Mommy likes caramel.
It's gross.
Okay, so we're gonna give it a try. It smells really good. Oh, okay, I see. It has like, I think you guys can see the butterscotch toppings? See the butterscotch topping? Really, really good. Okay, so we're gonna go
I
for
got
it.
a strawberry and that shot up right in my mouth.
I wish I knew how to take a thumbnail with my camera like this, but I don't think I can. Okay, so I'm nervous. How can you go wrong with a frap, right? Okay, I gotta take another sip.
Yeah, let me take a picture of your drink so I can post it on Instagram.
I like it. I can't. What is that flavor? It definitely has a coffee flavor. It definitely has a coffee flavor. It is really, really cold though. It's like ice cream, like a milkshake ice cream. It's the butterscotch. That's what that is. Okay, so you don't really taste a lot of the caramel in this specific. I mean, she really did. She tried really hard to make this really pretty. You don't taste a lot of the caramel. You taste a lot of the butterscotch. So if you don't like butterscotch flavor, the butterscotch flavor is very, very strong. So if you don't like butterscotch, which a lot of people don't, then you probably wouldn't like this. But the butterscotch and the coffee-like flavor together is actually very, very nice. Ooh, I got a little, yeah, it has little toffee bits through it. Let me stir it. So that was a couple sips without being stirred. The pot o' gold. Okay, now let me taste it. Okay. Now I'm getting a lot more caramel. So when it comes straight out like this, you get a very, very strong butterscotch flavor. If you stir it up, it kind of mixes together and it tastes more caramely. But both flavors, the caramel and the butterscotch, go very, very well with the coffee. And then they put the little butterscotch topper. Yeah, extra butterscotch topping is what they have on my drink. So you get little like butterscotch crunchy bits in here. So it's actually very, very nice. Again, though, I don't think this is something that I would order all the time. You know what I mean? It's like one of those drinks where it's like, oh, this is really nice and yummy. It's definitely worth what I paid for it, but it's not something I would order all the time because it's like, I have my go-to favorite and that's the pink drink. And probably the next video you see will be me getting brave enough to try the new and approved pink drink because I got to see what they did to my pink drink, right? I liked it the way it is, but you know when this would be really, really good? No, it's really, really good. Try that. You'll like it. You know when that would be really, really good? Like after you go out to eat and you have like a nice meal and you want like a dessert, that would be great for a dessert drink. Because I don't know about you guys, but like when I go to restaurants and stuff like that, I very rarely ever get desserts at the restaurant. And I'm not a real big like cake and like kind of person. But like on your way home to stop at Starbucks and get one of these, like after you had like a dinner or something like that, this would be really, really nice to clean your palate and to have like that little sweet treat on the way home from a nice dinner out. That's what this would be great for.
I mean, it tastes like coffee, but
it tastes like caramel too. Look at the line for Starbucks is clear out here now.
Oh gosh.
That's crazy. We went, guys, the car line is way over there. To get into Starbucks, we had the right time. That'd have been forever.
I mean, I like it. I just don't like caramel.
You just don't like caramel? But the coffee flavor is nice, isn't it? And it's not super strong.
I mean, I would describe that as like a perfect drink for like maybe winter or something.
Well, it is winter. Look at all that caramel, guys. Like, they didn't skimp. This is really good. The more I drink it, the more I like it.
No, I meant like when there's snow on the ground.
Yeah, the more I drink this, the more I really, really like it. So, oh, it's really cold. So I always give you guys my review from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10, I would give this about a 7. This is like pretty high up there because the more I'm drinking this, the more I really am liking it. It's actually very, very good. It's kind of refreshing, and it's more of like a dessert drink. So if you're looking for that nice coffee sweet drink, this is great. So try it. It's on the secret menu. Even the barista, she's like, okay, you want to tell me how to make it? It's called Pot of Gold by Pot O Gold, P-O-T-O with a little apostrophe, Gold by Starbucks. And I'm actually very happy with it. And I give it a strong 7. I give it a strong 7. The more I drink it, the more I like it.
I give it a 5.
Give it a 5. It's nice. It is definitely a desserty kind of frap.
But I give mine a 10.
Her little strawberry refresher. So a 7 for this. It's really, really good. A desserty drink. If you're looking for that nice sweet frap, this is the one for you. For have fun for oh my gosh, what's coming up? I totally lost my brain. St. Patrick's Day. Fun treat for St. Patrick's Day. So that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for joining me and trying the Pot of Gold from the secret menu at Starbucks. I'm very pleased with it, and yes, I will finish this because the more I drink it, the more I'm liking it. It's a very nice sweet treat, and I do love caramel, so, and that's coming through a lot more now. So, as always, take care of you guys. Thanks so much for joining me. Do what you love, do it large. Have a great day. Enjoy your Starbucks. Try something new off of the menu. Be brave, and I'll be seeing you in my next Try With Me video very soon, probably for the pink drink. Until then, bye guys. Love ya!